This is the not quite finished console of the original Kentucky Theater 1926 Wurlitzer pipe organ. And we're working very hard, the Bluegrass chapter of the American Theater Organ Society, based in Lexington, a 501c3 tax-exempt organization, all donations are tax deductible, have been tasked by the University of Kentucky to finish this beautiful instrument. It's going to take a lot of fundraising, it's going to take a lot of people caring, and we're having donations come in hand over fist right now.